Okay, okay. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. What is Claire? May wonder. Claire is a personal assistant that lives and works where you do. And she's an assistant that is powered by Walrus memory. Okay, so let's go. Claire is connected to so many different places. These are just a few examples. And you can talk to your work, and she remembers your work and remembers not she remembers more than your work. Sorry, I'm like sleep deprived. This is like I have exams very soon. I'm silly. Oh, anyways, so I for the demo, these are already hooked up in the background, regardless. So it doesn't really matter if I do this here, but you can set up that later by yourself. Okay, let's see. I yeah, this is a desktop app, by the way. It is a desktop app. I don't know if you realized. The desktop app. So yeah. Let's see. I let's go with vanilla. Maybe why are we going through the flow though? Let's see. I'll show you my email. You could be a real lad and send me an email. Should I show you my password? You know what? Yeah, I'll show my password. Ooh, very sophisticated. Why did I share my password though? Cause it doesn't matter. This is a local account. Welcome to Claire. Welcome. Thank you so much. You're being so accommodating. Um, So for now, we're going to use local inference, cloud inference, but we do have the option to use local inference if we need it. So yeah, let's see. For local inference, you can use Olama, and it dynamically finds out which models you have on your system. For me, I do have Olama running, by the way. Oh, why are they so anyways, I do have Olama running, so that is important. When you get the app, you have to just know that, and you can set sleep times. So offloads the model when you're not using it anymore, or when she's not intercepting messages from your other channels. Or you can use a fine tune model that I've made specifically for this task. It's called Clare LM, and of course you could download it. I have it downloaded for this demo, so it's not going to be. It's on my file system. Anyways, that's memory. Memory is a big part of how agents work nowadays, because they what memory is important. I can't speak. I'm sorry. I'm so deep sleep deprived. Memory is very important, and it is important how it is integrated. So yeah, people can choose between local memories, which are very limited in how they're queried and how the agent has access to them and kind of things the agent can do with them, because it's like just regular tables. You could set this up, or you could use Walrus memory, which allows the agent to use natural language processing and natural language questions to get meaningful insights from the memories it's made. And for the longer you use the agent, the better it understands you. But you know that already. But the agent doesn't know that. It's easier for the agent to query its ever growing memory with just natural language than making sophisticated SQL SQL queries. So sorry, that was a bit of a tangent. So you can make local accounts with Horse, or you could use your Sui wallets and connect that. So I'm gonna use this app like someone who has no access or doesn't understand how all this works, crypto things, Web3, because I'm fairly new to Web3 myself. So yeah, this is working in the background. It's creating a private local key. It is also, yes, working with Wars. Oh, sorry, I am so sleep deprived. Um, what else did I want to say? Yeah, so memories. This is just a mock-up. When we get the key, it's actually gonna update. But the key is still generating for now. It should show up here very soon. This chat history. Yeah, integrations. So you can integrate with different platforms. I've set up Slack integration already, so we don't have to do it again. It's working here. So let's see. Hi. Why did she not respond? Because you have to tag her. It's Slack. What do you mean? Oh, that was an accident. Hi, Claire. What can you see? So, she should be responding. Unlike Discord, Slack doesn't give me a way to show she's responding in chat. But, okay, that's a bit longer than expected. But wow, that is working. Don't worry about DUI. Okay, Discord is integrated. I disconnected just so you see me integrate again. It was connected before, so there's no point. Let's see. She is okay. There we go. Ooh, error? Did you? Oh, we switched to local inference. I forgot to switch back. But yeah, as you see, we've gotten the memory. Okay. Let's switch back to cloud. Ooh, do you hear my fan spinning? Might have been an accident. Yep. So I guess that just shows that she is running local inference. Although that is like no, I did not mean to do this right now. Um. Okay. So my apologies for this demo. Why am I apologizing? Anyways, let us switch. So this it should automatically kill that llama CPP runtime. So yeah, let's see. Let's try again. Hi Claire. What can you do? And this should be much faster, hopefully, because it's cloud inference, right? Hi, testing. It's me. Ooh, I didn't change this. Anyways, okay, yeah, it's working, and this is ooh a bit broken. Oh yeah, I did change the tool calling schema recently for Claire LM, but it's fine. So you see, she's also integrated here in Discord. Let me find a quick example of use cases for you. I sent her a voice note for a daily brief, which is not automatic, by the way, every morning. So she went through my calendar. I didn't have anything good there. She went through my Discord and she went through my Slack. As you can see, the channels here do match because she does have actual access. We can just see her as well. Hi. Oh yeah, let's test memory. Hi. Right now she's not remember anything. What do you remember about me? So so code's gonna show up here. She's gonna check right read memory, which uses Walrus under the hood now because that's what we set it to. I also would use SQL. This looks like SQL, but that's just like the SQL um the SQL similar. Oh, what's the word? I don't have the word. She don't have any memories because she has Claire, and because I cleared memories before making this demo. So integrations we showed we can memories and yeah, that's pretty much. Oh yeah, also she's on WhatsApp. For example, here, ignore this. This is like the sandbox thing. This is how we make WhatsApp bots programmatic. So I got this event link and I um forwarded it to Claire. She processed it and she asked, and she made this calendar event, which she remembers, by the way. I think a few times ways down, she did remember. Oh, and let's not go into that. But yeah, um, that is clear. This is really scuffed because I do have exams soon. I haven't, I should have focused a bit more on this, a lot more on my exams. I mean, oh yeah, yeah, it killed the, thank goodness, it killed the Lama CPP. So yeah, that's clear. It's local or also powered by online Walrus if you need. Press remember. Ooh, and I refresh, but that's no that's not great. Okay, now let's test memory. Ooh, I should have told us remember something. The demo is getting too long. I'm sorry. I have to go to bed, and this is really late. Please forgive me. So that's Claire. Hopefully, it becomes something you can't live without. Because I know I've wanted this for the longest time, and now finally getting the chance to build this, finally getting the chance to step into the world of Web3 as well. It's really amazing. Thank you so much. Bye bye.